Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Happy Sunday. I want to show you my garden. Welcome to the garden tour. Really hot, really sunny. I see some clouds in the distance, so we may get some afternoon storms. I think I heard, as I was saying storms, I actually thought I heard some thunder, so that may be happening. I want to show you what I've been working on the past week. So here's the fountain. Do you see all the canna lilies? They are really growing now. I'll be keeping them like this until they start getting brown and the leaves drooping, and then I will be cutting them all off and having this seating area nice and clean. But the fountain is solar, and I love the little noise that it provides. Just sitting and enjoying and relaxing, you get that little fountain noise. I'm going out in the sun now. Here are the canna lilies, and here's the ground cover that I love. The purple, they call it wandering Jew, but there might be another name for it too, but I just love the way it covers this. So much so, in fact, that I have planted it all around the estate, so it does the same thing. Can you see it here? It's like it's coming up that way, which I like too. And I've planted it here, and once it starts growing, I hope it grows out just like this everywhere I've planted it. And what I like about this also, it provides a natural ground cover. I'm going to sit on my bench for a minute while I talk to you. It provides a natural ground cover, as in you don't need to put mulch down because, see? So this area, so it saves you from doing the mulch, which is what I'm trying to go for, more like saving, time saver gardening tips. The clouds are already coming over us. And what I have been working on is I extended by one brick, and I have these beautiful crepe myrtles. There's the rose. These have already been here. See these beautiful crepe myrtles? I have put them in. And I already had some crepe myrtles in the pathway. But the look I was going for was to eventually have them like a tree-lined pathway, and they're going to be the crepe myrtles. I'm so glad I extended the pathway. It's so much easier to walk. Look, there they are there. See? Look how pretty. Cherry, these ones. These are the black cherry. And if you see the sun going in and out, it's because it is. See the cloud up there? Give you some clouds also. Oh, it's tickling me. So right there, the pathway, and then the crepes, which I absolutely love. Then let's go this way. Speaking of crepe myrtles, I'll show you the crepes today. There is the other crepe in there. It's small though. It hasn't grown. And there is the tallest. The tallest crepe is right there. The beautiful black cherry one. I love it. It's literally, it is like a black cherry. Here's this crepe right here. This crepe is pink. These two crepes. I actually transplanted them. Transplanted this one. It was somewhere else. But I noticed with crepes, they transplant really well. That one, and then the third crepe myrtle right there. The little one. So I want them to grow. And the little arborvitae. And there's the other crepe right there. And then that one, so I've got 1, 2. That third one is really small, so I'm trying to get it to grow bigger. So I have the light pink, the deeper pink, and then the black cherry. I added these. Like I said, they're going to be ground covers. They're going to go with how nice that is. And I put little lights in for nighttime. They look so pretty. Look at that. So just absolutely love. There's the crepes. The black cherry. So pretty. So a deeper shade of pink, a really light pink. And then the black. So love, love, love. And they go up to here. And then the pathway gate, just because I'm in love with the pathway. How nice is that? And we'll go around this way. Look at the bees, and the bees are out. You want your bees out, but you got to watch out for your bees. You don't really want to walk around when they're fully active. Look at this wandering Jew. It's really maybe too much. I may have to work on that when the weather's cool. And then the bougainvillea. This bougainvillea never disappoints. It pretty much, like, almost all year. Almost. I'm not saying all year, but look at it. Most of the year. So pretty. It's the nicest of the bougainvilleas. It blooms like this. The roses are dormant right now. Well, they're not blooming. It's just hot. So the roses, I actually deadheaded them all yesterday, so they'll be waiting to grow again. And the final end of July garden tour. Let's see what August will bring us. Who knows? It's so hot. So we'll switch back down this way. I'm gonna go sit down. I'm sitting, actually gonna sit in the shade while I finish talking to everyone. And I hear thunder. Do you guys hear it? There's the look. It is getting dark. I mean, we could use rain, so I guess I wouldn't be too upset if it rained. I'm gonna do this. So there we go. Okay, guys. I hope everyone had a nice garden tour. If you enjoyed the garden tour, please hit subscribe. There'll be many more as the hot summer progresses and we head into fall and winter. You'll be amazed at how the garden changes and becomes just a totally different space. It's so cozy and crowded now, but as it gets later and later in fall, the canna lilies actually are going to be, they actually look like corn stalks and they make good fall decorating. So we're going to be doing that, so don't miss the fall decorating. I don't decorate a lot in the hot summer because it's the hot summer. I just let things be the way they are. But come fall, we'll start doing some more things. So don't forget to come back, hit subscribe, and be part of the fun. I'm going to swivel you around again. Okay. Everyone have a great day. Please stay cool and safe. Ooh. You know what? Sometimes they look threatening, these storms, but they don't hit us. So this will be interesting if they do come. Have a great day, everyone. Enjoy. Bye.